That brown bottle sitting under your bathroom sink has probably been there for months. Maybe you pulled it out once for a scraped knee, used a tiny capful, and pushed it right back into the dark corner. But here's the thing. That bottle costs about $2. And it is hands down one of the most powerful, overlooked drain maintenance tools you will ever own. You just didn't know it yet. Tonight, before you go to bed, I want you to pour it down every single drain in your house. Here is exactly why, and the science of what happens next. The science, why it works. We are talking about standard 3% hydrogen peroxide, the kind sold at every local pharmacy and grocery store. Biofilm. The drain treatment industry, built on enzyme drops, chemical dissolvers, and foaming gels, is a multi-billion-dollar market. And it relies entirely on the assumption that you'll never figure this out. Why buy a $15 chemical gel when a $2 bottle does it better? Let's look at the 11 things peroxide does to your drains that commercial products just can't match. Number 1. It destroys biofilm. Most people assume a smelly drain means a physical clog. In reality, it's usually biofilm, a thin, slimy layer of bacteria coating the interior walls of your pipes, feeding continuously on soap scum, skin cells, and toothpaste. It's what causes that low, damp, sour smell. To fix it, pour half a cup of 3% peroxide straight down the drain. Let it sit for 20 minutes without running water, then flush with warm water. Do this once a week, and that sour smell disappears permanently. Number 2. It clears slow drains without corroding your plumbing. Chemical drain openers rely on lye or sulfuric acid. They work, but they are highly caustic, degrading pipe joints and eating away at older plumbing over time. Peroxide is completely non-corrosive to metal or PVC at 3%. For a slow drain, pour 1 cup down, followed by a tablespoon of baking soda. Number 3. It kills hidden mold. You can scrub the mold you see on the drain cover, but the real colony lives 2 to 3 inches below the surface. Peroxide penetrates the surface mold and destroys the root structure that allows it to regrow. Pour half a cup angled toward the inner walls once a month to cut off the mold cycle entirely. Number 4. It eliminates fruit fly breeding colonies. Fruit flies don't actually breed on your fruit, they just feed there. They breed in the organic sludge inside your kitchen and bathroom drains. Pouring half a cup down your kitchen drain right before bed for 3 consecutive nights completely oxidizes their breeding site, causing the population to collapse within a week. Number 5. It sanitizes your kitchen drain after raw meat contact. When you rinse cutting boards or hands after handling raw poultry or beef, dangerous bacteria go down the drain and can spread back up through faucet splashback. A quick half cup of peroxide kills the contamination risk instantly. Number 6. It tackles sticky shower buildup. Shower drains collect a horrific matrix of hair, body oil, and conditioner. Peroxide specifically breaks down fat chains, loosening the bonds holding that sticky matrix together. Number 7. It removes garbage disposal odors. Pour half a cup in, let it fizz for 15 minutes, then run the disposal with cold water for 30 seconds to clean surfaces. Number 8. It disinfects aerosolized bacteria. This is something commercial brands won't tell you. When you run a high-pressure faucet over a bacteria-colonized drain, the impact creates a fine aerosol mist that travels straight up into the air. Number 9. It reduces microbial corrosion. Certain sulfur-reducing bacteria colonies inside older metal plumbing produce acidic byproducts that accelerate pipe degradation. Weekly peroxide treatments reduce that bacterial load. It replaces an entire category of products. You don't need enzyme tablets, specialized deodorizers, or expensive foaming gels. You just need the single bottle you've been ignoring. Crucial safety warnings. Use 3% only and never mix with vinegar. 2 quick safety notes before you start. Always stick to standard 3% first aid hydrogen peroxide. Do not buy industrial strength concentrations, which carry genuine chemical hazards. Second, never mix hydrogen peroxide directly with vinegar in the same bottle or drain. This channel is all about finding what actually works, usually using things you already own. New practical cleaning and home maintenance videos go up several times each week. If that's useful to you, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell. Go check under your sink, find that brown bottle. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community, and I'll see you in the next video.